You'll be surprised to know that the my favorite shot from the second season is when Shrikant Tiwari in his corporate office standing and filling up uh, the water in his glass. I think jail sequence that takes the cake. And Sharif is so good in that jail sequence. He's really good. I'm not nervous about whether I'll be able to do it or not. Of course, I've been doing it for so long. I will be doing it. But now the matter is how good it will be.
वन सच एक्टर जिन्होंने शायद 1994 से अपनी करियर की शुरुआत करी थी एंड देन आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज नो स्टॉपेज टुवर्ड्स हिज सक्सेस टुवर्ड्स हिज राइज इन करियर even though he has had his own set of faults, but he never stopped, he never backed down, and today he is here where he is. And we are talking about none other than the family man Shrikant itself. जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रही हूँ मनोज बाजपेयी की, क्योंकि आज आप लोगों का ही नहीं बल्कि मेरा भी स्पेशल डे है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही खास मेहमान जुड़ने वाले हैं। आइए चलिए बिना ज्यादा वक्त जाया करे मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं फैमिली मैन के श्रीकांत यानी कि मनोज बाजपेयी को, जानते हैं उन्हीं की जुबानी व्हाट वेंट बिहाइंड द मेकिंग ऑफ श्रीकांत, व्हाट वाज हिज फेवरेट रोल, व्हाट वाज ऑल दैट वेंट बिहाइंड हिज कैरेक्टर्स एंड अ लॉट मोर स्नीक peek into his career and a lot more future plans.
Well, I should begin up with it's a pleasure having Manoj Bajpai on Telly Chakkar today. A lucky day indeed, I would say. Sir, firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar. And Family Man, I say, has been a huge success. So congratulations for that bit.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes, we are still, can't believe the historical success that it has achieved. The kind of success that no other OTT shows can actually claim to have experienced.
So do I address you as Manoj Bajpai or do I address you as Shrikant? What do I address you as?
I mean, my parents have given me a good name. Please address me with that one.
Perfect. So I am very intrigued to know one thing that multiple people might have asked you कि Shrikant के साथ क्या similarity match करता है या क्या पसंद आया क्या पसंद नहीं आया and a lot many other things. But if given a chance to you because you have lived Shrikant so well, अगर आप उनसे एक सवाल करना चाहते होते what is that one question जो आप अपने खुद के किरदार से करते if given a chance?
मैं सवाल ये करता कि यार सुचि को जितना फ्रीडम देगा वो उतना तेरे पास रहेगी, जितना कम सवाल करेगी, ज्यादा तू स्ट्रगल मत कर उसके साथ.
So if I ask about your character, I'm sure there's a lot of story behind how you got the role and XYZ things. But then one thing that you really loved about your character over the period of time, because you're in season 2, so the character has transformed, it's changed. So one thing that you loved about the character, what would that be?
Shrikant Tiwari is complete. What I learned that he's adamant on not being somebody else. Okay, rather being just himself all the time and being truthful in some way or the other. I mean, he lies for a greater good. That's another thing. But he tries to be truthful. He is somebody who's completely disturbed. His family is not happy. He's not in a correct emotional zone when the series is starting. He's very passionate about his job, a job which doesn't give him much for his family to be proud of, but he's still so passionate about his job, so passionate, and he gives everything to the job that he's doing, and that too a job which is completely thankless. So this is what you learn.
If we put Manoj Bajpai in a time machine and we send you back into reliving one of the scenes that you shot for Family Man 1 and 2 both, what is that one scene that is your utmost favorite that you want to relive again?
From the first season, my favorite is when I'm hitting the guy and suddenly my son appears, and I ask him to I ask this guy to say hello to my son. That's my extreme favorite. That came out so nicely also. You'll be surprised to know that my favorite shot from the second season is when Shrikant Tiwari in his corporate office standing and filling up the water in his glass. That's my favorite shot. Raj and DK, they said, we thought of this shot. Can you just stand there and just show us the extreme boredom with your life? Okay. And I just stood there. If you watch it again, you'll realize I've jutted out my paunch so that it looks that he's standing in such a way that you realize that this guy is a lethargic, bored guy. So that's when I got that one out and I saw it, from a distance at the monitor. I said, okay, this is, when you get those kind of little things. But apart from that, my favorite scene is when I go back to Jonali from the season 1 and to say sorry to her. Okay, I think that's my favorite scene.
Has it ever happened that still you feel that jittery feeling जब आपको एक role चाहिए होता है, when you have to, prepare yourself for a character, or when you are facing the camera, do you still feel that jittery feeling, or you have overcome that?
I don't want that. I don't need that feeling, that jittery feeling for me to do well. Because I am jittery and nervous about certain other things when I'm getting into the scene or into the shot. I'm nervous about whether I'll be able to execute the idea or the thought behind this shot or not, or thought behind that line or not. I'm more interested in those ones. I'm not nervous about whether I'll be able to do it or not. Of course, I've been doing it for so long. I will be doing it, but now the matter is how good it will be, and I'm trying for excellence. I'm trying to do something very different. Can I achieve that different in that shot is something that I'm very nervous and jittery about.
So would Manoj Bajpayee tag himself as a huge critic of his own work? Do you watch your own work, sir?
I'm a brutal critique of my work. No matter which reviewer any reviewer can go ahead and thrash and rip me apart, but he or she can still not be as brutal as me when it comes to my work.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious. I'm not pretending. I'm not saying things for the effect here.
Do you see your own work? Have you sat back and watched your own work when you have free time and to just analyze कि कहाँ अच्छा और कहाँ बुरा किया गया है?
Whenever I try to do it, I just switch it off because I start thinking too much. Oh, I could do that. I could do this. I could do that. I start cursing myself. So yeah, I don't watch it that often, but I'm going to watch this season. So my favorite scene also is when I'm having when I throw up a dinner. I take her out for dinner on marriage anniversary. That's my favorite scene. Because we in that sequence we try to sum up the marriage, okay, and all aspects of marriage in that one sequence, and I think it was a very well written scene first of all, and that gave us a challenge to do it equally good, on that day. I think that scene is also quite favorite of mine.
On that note, I would really love to know about the bonding that you shared with JK, because we saw how the transformation of your characters and how the transformation of your bond, you could very clearly see. So, आपका उनके साथ का कौन सा वो favorite scene है जो is your the most favorite वाला thing?
I think jail sequence. that takes the cake. And Sharif is so good in that jail sequence. He's really good. He was in his element that morning. He was in his element. Just now, Tabu, the great actress, she called me up and she said, "Did you notice that because of all the Tamil actors and speaking their English in their own accent, you guys also got drawn to it and started speaking in the same accent." That's a new thing that she's observed. But yes, jail sequence is something that Sharif and me are quite. I think Sharif is fantastic in that sequence.
But what is your first impression about Srikanth when you were briefed about it, and then after you were done with season 1, did you expect that yes, the fans are gonna accept and love it the way they are loving it now?
Don't expect these things. You really don't expect these things. You can't work for this kind of a success. You can only work to make a good product or good content. So you really can't plan or plan or guess that they in this historical manner people will respond to it. You can only work on making a good content, and that's it.
Talking about season 2 ka, the climax sequence that went in complete single shot. How was your experience for that one? एक single shot में giving such a huge scene and all being accepted by the fans. आपका experience उसका कैसा था?
you guys cannot have an idea of how excruciatingly difficult that those sequences are. Police station and climax. The one day we just rehearsed, in the 7 minutes shot, where you are coming out of the car, shooting, then and then getting into the car. Taking the car into the heart and then coming out, then get into the fist fight, part, come out, then start shooting, then start running and climbing the mountain, that hill, and go on the tarmac and call for the car, get in the car, start shooting, then you stop the car, then start shooting again, and boom. Okay, so this 7 minutes long shot, we had to do it again, first in pieces, then in one go. The whole day we rehearsed, and the next day we started taking. Okay, and there were seven to 8 takes of this shot. Okay, and if it missed one beat, DK is quite a perfectionist that way. Missed one punch, one beat. If the card was late by, say, 2 seconds, you do it all over again. So, in these 2 days, I realized that, yes, my lifestyle is good. I'm doing good with my fitness. Okay. And when I went back into my hotel, they got warm water in hot water with salt in it. I put my feet into it, and there was a massage guy. Then I got myself massage. I was fine next day. But all the other actors who participated in it, they were in a bad shape, man. Very bad shape.
I can imagine the way you have just expressed the whole scene, 7 minutes ka scene, and you're rehearsing for the whole lot again and again. I can totally imagine.
Look, I mean, can you believe that I still remember, remember the whole thing in sequence?
I am sure, because you lived it, and by me asking you, you're reliving the whole scenario all over again. I can totally get it. Okay, you have played a humongous number of roles until now, and I can't say that choose one. It's very difficult, but still I would love to know. Would you say that Manoj Bajpayee has played his dream role? Do you have a dream role?
Yes, my dream role was Ramchandra Siras from Aligarh.
And that means you have played. So what next for you? When you're done with your dream role, or maybe when you're done with the kind of roles that you love playing, what next for you then?
I don't know. I'm always open for great roles and great scripts. And through you, I would I'll be sending this message to all the directors, and new and old, everyone, that think wildly, think out of box, and I'm up for it.
Perfect. Any parting words, sir, for the fans out there who have loved Srikanth? And even if they have not watched, I'm still sure, seeing the whole buzz around Srikanth, they will end up watching Family Man. Very surely.
All I would say, keep sending your love to us. Keep shouting the kind of praise that you've been showing since 1.5 years. Season 1 was a remarkable success. And season 2 has become a historical success that no filmmaker or maker or actor has ever experienced. Keep sending your love, keep shouting your love on us, and we'll keep trying to entertain you, to give you great content. That's all we are supposed to do, and you are supposed to encourage us with all the love that you've been giving to us.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure having you here at TeleChakkar, and it was my special day to have you as my special guest today.
Thank you. Thank you, Vishakha.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज मेरे मेहमान थे और कोई नहीं बल्कि the family man के श्रीकांत himself. जी हाँ दोस्तों, Manoj Bajpayee was all out candid with us in our exclusive session here today itself. I really hope कि आप लोगों ने आज का ये session enjoy किया होगा. नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि आप लोगों की फेवरेट याद, फेवरेट मेमोरी विद श्रीकांत, या ये कहें फैमिली मैन के सीरीज के साथ कौन सी थी. एंड इफ नॉट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच फैमिली मैन ऑन Amazon Prime, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल श्रीकांत ने अपने फेवरेट सीन्स हमारे साथ शेयर करे हैं. सो यू डू टेल अस इफ यू हैव सीन दोस सीन्स और नॉट. Until then, stay tuned to TeleChakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.